Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you how to reset all preferences and settings in VLC Media Player easily and safely. Sometimes, VLC might not work as expected because of changes in its settings. Resetting preferences can fix a lot of common issues without the need to reinstall the application. First, open VLC Media Player. Then, go to the top menu and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. At the bottom of the Preferences window, you will see a button that says Reset Preferences. Click on it. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you really want to reset your VLC preferences. Click OK to confirm. Finally, close and restart VLC Media Player to apply the changes. Your VLC settings are now back to their original defaults. And that's it. A simple and quick way to reset your VLC Media Player preferences. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.